already 319. We went to another ride today.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. With stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a big packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Is full of tall tales and even taller mountains. Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain and its runaway mine train. While just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brenner Rabbit and Flatbed Boys. So be sure to drop in.
They're gonna shut down Splash Mountain in like a year. So you have a good day.
This is Frontierland Station.
Oh, wow.
Here now, disembark, please watch your every step.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love finding this river. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit quieter, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Hi friends, as a reminder, make sure the little ones that are 6 and under are on the inside. That means all the way on the left-hand side. Make sure the little ones that are 6 and under are all the way on the left-hand side. Thank you guys.
A change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, all waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake.
Oh, Peter, that's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put!
Big fan.
Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland.
Hi friends, please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs fully inside the train. Thank you.
Children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacular-ific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland. Please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Hi friends, as we approach the station, seated. Once again, friends, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a stop and I give the words all clear. Until then, please remain fully seated. There we go, friends.
I don't care, it's comfy. I had to put my arm around my pole.
She's like a dog.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
Tomorrowland.
Sorry.
have little ones, they do have to be sitting as well. That includes little babies, they do have to be sitting. Thank you, friends.
As you know, I'm on this trip for about as much as a songbird loves it. And I'm still falling by the rock. That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sir. In this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Sun in your eyes. I'm not using it because you're laughing. I'm not using it. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Shut, shut, shut. Shut, shut, shut.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the town we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. Anybody cut it? And while we're being neighbors, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly welcome? This is Main Street Station.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Hi friends, as we approach the station, please remain fully seated inside the train until the train comes to a stop and I give the word all clear. Until then, please remain fully seated inside the train. I will give you guys the all clear to head on out. Until then, please remain seated. Alrighty friends, we are all good to disembark.